Hi everyone, I am Viren. Teammates are Kumaraguru, Krishna, Karthik, Kabiles, and company name Rolls Royce, found on March 15, 1906, headquarters Goodwood, West Sussex, England. Founders Charles Rolls and Henry Royce. Website https Raycoin.com. Employees around 50,000. Products luxury automobile and jet engines. Vehicle division Phantom, Ghost brought down, and the Collion Serve. Next. Company name Rolls Royce, found on March 15, 1906. Headquarters Goodwood, West Sussex, England. Founders Charles Rolls and Henry Royce. Website https www.rollsroycemotorscars.com. Employees around 50,000. Products luxury automobile and jet engines. Vehicle division Phantom, Ghost, Right Down, and the Collion Serve.
Now
Hi everyone, I am Kumaraguru. Now we are going to take DMC video about Rolls Royce. Its company name was Rolls Royce. It's founded on March 15, 1906. Its headquarters located at Goodwood, West Sussex, and England. Its founders are Charles Rolls and Henry Royce. And there are more than 50,000 employees were working there. Their products are luxury automobiles and jet machines. Vehicle divisions are Phantom, Ghost, Bright, Dawn, and the Collision SUV. And its employees are more than 50,000 were working there. Its headquarters were located at Goodwood, West Sussex, England, and it was founded on March 15, 1906. Its vehicle divisions are Phantom, Ghost, Bright, Dawn, and the Collion SUV. Their key partners are suppliers, technology, and collaborators. Their key achievements are aerospace, marine, luxury automobiles. Their key resources are supply chain, financial capital. Their value propositions are craftsmanship, exclusively innovation, performance. Their cost structures are research and development, production cost, labor cost. Their customer relationship built by major team and sold or leased to another team. Events and exhibitions, social media, direct sales. Revenue streams are aerospace, marine, power systems, nuclear. Their value propositions are craftsmanship, exclusivity, innovation, performance. Customer relationships are built by major team and sold or leased to another team. Channels are events and exhibition, social media, direct sales.
Hi everyone, I am Vishnumurthy. Now we are going to take BMC video about Rolls Royce. My teammates are Kumaraguru and
Innovation industries, smart city manufacturing, healthcare, agriculture and food tech, automobile, aerospace and defense, retail, FMCG, real estate, entertainment and finance, and energy. In innovation technology, robotic and automation, AR, VR, metaverse, gaming and digital twins, data science, AI and ML, and Internet of Things, communication and growth tech, additive manufacturing, development and low code. In this, our topic is based on automobile and robotics and automation.
Key partners, battery suppliers, Panasonic, LG, SEM, technology and software, NVIDIA, charging industries, various partners for supercharger network, research and development cost, production and manufacturing cost, battery and technology cost, sales and marketing expense, supercharger network maintenance, revenue streams, electric vehicle sales, energy generation and storage products, autonomous driving software, service and maintenance, charge network fees. Thank you.